Welcome to Cars 2 Peugeot in Barnsley, where today we've had the new 308 head-to-head challenge. We've had the 308 GT line sat next to its main competitors, the Ford Focus Titanium X and the VW Golf GT. The new 308 is currently available with no deposit, 3 years 0% finance and 3 years free servicing. It also boasts a massive spec, including 9.7 inch touchscreen satellite navigation, rear reversing camera, 18 inch alloy wheels and also massaging front seats. At a full £1,350 less than the equivalent spec Ford Focus Titanium X and £6,150 less than the equivalent Golf, we believe the new 308 is an outright winner in our head-to-head challenge.